Born in 1820 into a wealthy English family, Florence began helping villagers with her mother when she was only 8 years old. One day she helped care for a sick baby, and she felt just a deep sense of love and purpose. And it reminded her of Jesus' words in Matthew 25:40. Whatever you did for one of the least of these brothers and sisters of mine, you did for me. At 17, Florence sensed God calling her into nursing, even though at that time it was not respected at all and her family disapproved. But she quietly prepared herself, choosing a life of service over comfort, wealth, and even marriage. She trained, worked in hospitals, and even served in the slums during a deadly epidemic. But all this time, God was shaping her for a mission far greater than she even imagined. Then came reports from the Crimean War. British soldiers were dying needlessly because there wasn't any proper medical care. So without hesitation, Florence organized nurses, gathered supplies, and left for Scutari, Turkey. The conditions were horrifying. There were miles of wounded men. They just lay dying on broken floors, some with missing limbs, covered in blood and lice, no medicine, not even blankets. She wondered, could hell be worse than this? But Florence went to work. She cared for their wounds and offered the comfort of Jesus, which had a very calming effect on the men. She actually attended 2,000 men on their deathbeds. Florence was called the Lady with the Lamp because when the day was over, she just kept serving late into the night with a little glowing lamp in her hand. So God used Florence to change healthcare in England and around the world, and she made nursing a caring, noble profession. There was so much good for the sick and the dying came from this single life, Florence Nightingale. Just imagine how different our world would be if each of us followed God's purpose for our lives. And I pray that you and I both follow God's purpose today and always. I'm Kathleen Score within Jesus Steps. Thank you for watching and subscribing. God bless you.